The WFX extension for sure is going to change the way you get around WORKFLOWY and the internet. If you can think of a list or a web page, you're as good as there. WFX makes this possible by allowing us to create our own intuitive shortcuts. Let's first take a look at the free core WFX features up for grabs. I've created full-on screencast tutorials for each of the following features you're about to catch just a glimpse of. Let me jump from here to my Pomodoro outline. Now I'll jump to my tasks for today and back again if I want. And then again, I'll jump to my Kanban calendar. From here, I can go anywhere. So let me jump to my tag color index. And then I'm going to jump to my WORKFLOWY Academy outline, then to my social media checklist. You can create as many list shortcuts as you want. WFX also takes you to any place on the web that you set up a shortcut for. I'll often play a game of Tetris. And my shortcut to take me there is TE. How easy is that to remember? So here we go. The noun project. Notice how I generally limit my shortcuts to 2 or 3 characters. This just makes it quicker to type in. I'm going to look for a web page icon. I'm going to open up the Kindle Cloud Reader to pick up where I left off with the book I'm reading. And now I want to go directly to a Google search page. Next up, Uni for Unicode. I can jump directly to my Pomodoro outline from where I am right now. And here we are. Look what happens when I activate WFX and type in the same shortcut to the ShapeCatcher webpage I was just on. Instead of opening up a new instance of this page, WFX first finds this tab. If there isn't already one open, then WFX creates one. This feature is called Find Tab or Create. You can do a pinpointed global search no matter where you are in WORKFLOWY. And I'm going to keep zooming in until I get to the bottom. And now that I'm really quite far from my home page, as you can see in the breadcrumb navigation links, I'm going to activate my WFX prompt and search for the word billion. You'll see that we're looking at an account-wide search for the word billion. Now I'm going to use WFX to filter for my work in progress tag. And here we see a global search for the work I'm currently focusing on. These core features at the heart of WFX are free. You can go wild and create as many shortcuts as you need. And then there's the PowerPack. While WFX's core dynamics are quite breathtaking and absolutely indispensable, that's just a small taste of WFX's full potential. If you're ready to tap into more features and abilities than you've ever anticipated, then you've absolutely got to get your hands on the PowerPack. Let me show you what some of the WFX PowerPack tools are capable of. Keep in mind that there are currently over 70 different PowerPack scripts. And counting. You're about to watch a couple of clips from several video tutorials I've put together, so be sure to watch the full-length screencasts for a more detailed show and tell. So I place my cursor in the list, activate WFX, and hit my shortcut. I'm going to move these to the trash. Enter. Disappears, and I'm going to follow this link to the trash. Let me now demonstrate how I can move this item around super quick from one list to another. I'm going to send it to a list I've called 11. I don't have to follow, but in this case, I'm going to follow. I'm going to move this to my done list. So let's activate WFX. And my shortcut for my done list is DD. I'm not going to jump there, but let me just expand here. And let me send this item to my home screen, HH. I'm going to follow this link in the banner. And there you see it at the bottom of my home screen. Once I've taken my daughter to volleyball practice, I can then move this item into my Kanban calendar. Let me type in TM for this month. And I'm going to move this item to Friday the 28th. Also, I'm going to jump to this list. So I make sure that my cursor is placed in the event, and I'm going to use my SS shortcut. I'm going to move this event back to where it was at 6 p.m. And there it is, right back at 6 p.m. And now that we've got 4 lists starred, let's go and find all the rest of my cards so that we can move them back to this deck. What I'm going to do now is select all of my hearts in this list. I'm going to activate my Move to Star script that I've already got set up. Let me bring up my WFX prompt, and I'm going to enter my shortcut ST. I'm going to select my hearts list. And as you can see, the items I selected have been moved. Activate my Find and Replace script. And I'm going to change this tag here to pink. And then hit this button to change all 22 instances. If I now hover over my hidden tag, you can see that the tag names have been changed. A global search using the WFX extension. I'm going to search for WF+. Now I activate the Find and Replace script. And I'm going to change all instances of WF+ to WFX. I'm going to select them. And now I'm activating the multi-tagger script. I'd like to tag all the lists I've selected with hashtag T light sky blue, and I'll hit enter. Next, I'm going to select these 2 lists, activate multi-tagger, and I'm going to give them a light coral tag color. Now let's take the reset checklist PowerPack script for a spin. I activate the WFX prompt and type in my shortcut reset. And the script shows me all items in the list that have been completed. Do I want to reset 8 completed items? Why, yes, this is exactly what I signed up for, so I'll hit enter. And this checklist is as good as new. I'm going to simply call on my reset checklist script and reset all the completed items. And now let's see what Adding Machine does in this outline. Not only has Adding Machine written a subtotal in each category list title, but also the grand total up here in the zoomed list title. Now, placing my cursor in the list title at the top, you'll see that my book has a total of 57,304 words. 257 characters to work with. And if I place my cursor in this bullet, you'll see that I've used up the maximum number of characters, 257, for this tweet. Perfect. Every time I take my daughter to volleyball practice, I log some basic information and include a volleyball tag. And here we see in less than 2 years, week in and week out, my daughter has attended 193 practices. So I'm going to bring up my tag counter. And here we see that I have burned through 175 Pomodori. This script works instantaneously. Are you ready? And go. Just amazing. There are two differences when using this tag index script. Here we have a list of periodic table elements. Today I woke up and I decided I wanted to number everything that could be numbered. So here we go with a number bullets script. And here you'll see that the script has prepended numbers 1 through 109, followed by a period. The PowerPack is available right now for purchase. Just follow the link in the description box below the video. You'll also find a link to a playlist of all the WFX video tutorials created thus far. You'll want to enjoy those one bite at a time.